Hi guys, welcome to my channel Materia Medica का घोल. I'm a second year homeopathic student. I have created this channel to spread awareness about homeopathic drugs. On this channel, we will learn homeopathic drugs through different pictures. I find this way much easier than repeatedly studying from books, which I find very difficult to memorize. Each homeopathic drugs has so many symptoms which are difficult to remember. On this channel, I will try to ease your difficulty. Materia medica का घोल. घोल means a mixture of different source books of MM like Boric, Allen's, Ritukinrag, S.K. Dubey. I have covered most of the symptoms in picture form from these books. After watching my videos, you can easily learn the symptoms. My intention is to spread the knowledge of homeopathic drugs. If you are a BHMS student, then you can watch my videos for your academic purposes and exam purposes. And if you're not, then you can still watch the videos for gaining knowledge. My main focus will be on MM, but I'll also try to include videos of toxicology from FM part. I'll make short notes and try to include pictures in it. These are my notes. These are incomplete, but still I want to show you some work of mine. For other subjects of medicine like anatomy, physiology, pathology, FM, we have many channels, but for MM, I think very few channels are there which are really good. Guys, I don't know how to teach, but I will try my level best to deliver you my content in the best way. If I make mistakes, then please forgive me and correct me. I'll take it as a compliment and I'll improve myself. So guys, please do support my channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. I will try to post video on every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you guys.